I hope everyone is doing well. So, the ground is still frozen and we are still not able to garden until the weather gets warmer. On my previous video, some of you asked if my soil is fertile and do I use fertilizer or what fertilizer I use and why my vegetables look so healthy. Here's the answer to your questions. All year, I compost in our backyard. Over the winter, I continue to compost. I collect trays of eggs as well to use it as a brown materials. Add a bit of water and cover it up. Make sure that the cover is heavy so that no unwanted guest can open it up. I repeat the same process, keep adding kitchen scrap on my bin, and make sure to cover it after. And don't add any meat products. All the kitchen scrap goes to this bin. Just dig a hole and bury it. I do compost directly to the ground as well. When the weather is warm, just dig a hole, place your scrap, and cover it up. I buried kitchen scrap in this area. As you see, it's all gone. Look, the soil is so rich. So now I'm going to show you how my compost is doing today. Let's check it out. It's heavy. So all my kitchen scraps, they all goes in here. So this is just a container and I just put a holes all over it. And I have my compost bin. Let's check it out. Wow, look at that. See, all the compost has disappeared now. See, this is pure compost. All the compost that I added in here, all the kitchen scraps are gone. See how rich is this? That is pure compost. Wow. So this is another kitchen scrap that I buried in here. Let's go check it out, how it's doing. Oh. All right, see? I think oh, look at all the worms. If you see, there's a lot of worms right here. Look at these worms right here. Look at that. And if you see, there's so much worms right here. So this is all the kitchen scrap and now they're all gone. Look at that. All the kitchen scraps are disappearing. There's some a little bit left right here. And look at this. Did you see all these worms right here? That's just to show that my compost is very, very healthy. Look at so many baby worms right here. Look at that. That is great. Look at that. There's some that are not ready, but most of it are gone. So that's how I compost. It's very simple and easy. Dig a hole and put your kitchen scrap and there you go. You get pure compost. When the weather started to get warmer, the process continued for composting. This is how my compost looked like. When my compost is ready to be used, all my vegetables and fruits are benefiting from it. I hope this answers to your questions and inspired you to do your own compost as well.